Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable mentions on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the latest update. If you've been getting tagged or mentioned too often and want to take control of your notifications, this quick guide will help you turn off mentions in just a few simple steps. First, open Pinterest on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side menu. You'll see several options there, including your profile, boards, and more. Scroll down until you find the Settings option and click on it. After entering Settings, you'll notice a list of categories. Find and select Social Permissions. This is where Pinterest allows you to manage how other users can interact with you, including mentions. Under the Social Permissions tab, look for the section labeled Mentions. This is the feature that lets people tag you in comments or pins. To disable mentions, simply choose the option that says Turn Off. This will stop others from mentioning your username in their posts or comments, giving you more privacy and fewer notifications. Don't forget, after you've made this change, you need to save your settings. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page, and click it to confirm your new preferences. That's it. You've successfully turned off mentions on Pinterest from your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to customize your social experience and avoid unwanted tags. If you ever want to turn mentions back on, just follow these same steps and select the option to enable them again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Pinterest experience. Enjoy a more peaceful and personalized browsing session.